First of all, Hernandez-Santana's attorney, Mark Reichel, made it very clear that even though the time has not yet come to formally enter a plea in a courtroom, his client denies any involvement with this crime. The attorney also suggests that his client is being used as a political pawn in an even bigger political game.
Why are people intrigued by this? This looks like, smells like smoke of the beginning of a great trial in America about whether democracy survives.
Fox 40 sitting down with defense attorney Mark Reichel. On Thursday, a federal judge denied his client, 64-year-old Anibal Hernandez-Santana, bail. He's the alleged shooter in a case that's transcended local headlines. 3 shots of gunfire into Sacramento's ABC-affiliated news station last Friday.
We deny all the charges right now.
You may remember the man was taken into federal custody after investigators reportedly found a slew of evidence connecting him to the crime. Under law, prosecutors are not required to provide the defense with this evidence just yet.
I have no reports of anything yet. I have nothing to comment on about the evidence or any possible defenses at all.
According to court documents obtained by Fox 40, a core piece of the prosecution's case so far appears to rest on a note reportedly found in the defendant's car. This case falling in both the federal and state courts. Sacramento District Attorney Tian Ho previously telling Fox 40 the note threatened a handful of high-profile federal officials, saying they were, quote, next.
That handwritten note was signed with the initials CK from above. We believe the initial CK was in reference to Charlie Kirk.
I've heard about this note. They talk about this note. I see it on the media, but I don't know what it means, and I don't know if my client wrote it. So there's not much I can say about it right now.
Another critical piece of the prosecution's case seems to hinge on a whiteboard planner found on the defendant's refrigerator. It read, "Do the next scary thing," under the Friday section. Reichel clarifies, according to his client, this was not a threat.
It's a mantra to get you out of your comfort zone, to get you to conquer your own fears. You know, that was on his refrigerator. And of course, they use that to say that's what happened on Friday.
A reminder, Hernandez-Santana was initially arrested on state charges, released on bail, then re-arrested last Saturday on federal charges too. Again, no one was injured, but the building was occupied at the time. The defense attorney says it's rare for a case of this nature to reach the federal level. The defense says political undertones on the national scale are rippling through this particular case.
It's obvious. If you look at his social media, he's very progressive. MAGA, Trump need examples. Well, here you have violence, and you have someone who has political left leanings. So this is the perfect candidate for them to grab it, run, bring it to federal court, and point up and say, look, another statistic, folks.
Just another thing to note, the topic of mental health did come up in yesterday's hearing, and while Hernandez-Santana's attorney does confirm he has a past with mental health concerns, he says none of those are violent nor extreme. For Now Live in Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Sarah Crew, Fox 40 News.